Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study about elements. There are total 118 elements discovered till now. But first of all, we start with definition of elements. What is an element? In 9th class, you already studied about matters. Matters classified into two parts, pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances further divided into two parts. First one is element and other one is compound. So element is the simplest form of pure substances which have only one type of particles and further cannot divide it into another kind of particles by physical or chemical process. It means, for example, we have a iron atom, or we can say we have a gold atom or element. If we try to break in smallest part, we always get iron atoms, or if we have gold, we always get gold atoms. So in all these cases, we can see it is defined as the simplest form of pure substances which have only one type of particles and further cannot divide it into another kind of particles by physical and chemical process. Further, these elements divided into three parts. First one is metal, second one is non-metal, and third one is metalloids. So types of elements, there are, first one is metals, second one is non-metal, and third one is metalloids. So on the basis of all these types, metal, non-metal and metalloids, 118 elements are arranged in periodic table. So the periodic table consists of 118 elements. Out of these, some elements are metal, some of them are non-metal, and some of a very few, we can say a very few, are metalloids. On the left part of the periodic table, mostly elements are arranged. On the diagonal part, metalloids are arranged, and on the right hand side of the periodic table, non-metals are arranged. So we can see out of this, यहाँ हम देखते हैं, where do these elements exist? Are they natural or artificial? Out of these 118 elements, some of the elements are man-made. Not all elements are naturally occurring. Some of the elements are man-made, or we can say synthetic. But most of the elements exist in nature. There are 92 naturally occurring elements in the periodic table from hydrogen to uranium. After uranium, elements are known as transuranic elements. Means those elements are synthetic or man-made. So the remaining 26 elements are synthetic or man-made. So after that, we are going to study one by one elements. So क्लास में हमने कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को रोल दिया है एलिमेंट्स का. जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो वन बाय वन अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज बताएंगे. जैसे उसमें हाइड्रोजन रहेगा, जैसे उसमें हीलियम रहेगा, जैसे उसमें कार्बन हो सकता है, नाइट्रोजन हो सकता है. पर्टिकुलर जो स्टूडेंट होगा वो एज ए एलिमेंट यहाँ पे एक्ट करेगा, और जो स्टूडेंट जो है वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज यहाँ हमारे सामने बताएगा. चलो.